Hi everyone, so this is week 5 for college algebra course, and this week we are starting chapter 4 and we're covering sections 1 and 2. So as usual, we have our PowerPoint for the actual lessons and the video walkthroughs of these PowerPoints. So these are really good to watch along with your reading of our textbook. And as usual, we have the videos and links and practice sites. So again, these two are the additional resources for students to use. And after going over the learning resources folder, we have our weekly module 5 discussion board. Please answer this one question: how much time did you spend on completing last week's homework? I think I got more questions, more emails about asking for specific questions last week on especially chapter 3.3. And so please feel free to share anything else if you want. And we have our weekly module 5 assignment posted. And both of these assignments are due on Sunday, October 4th, 11:59 p.m. Two quick announcements. If we can't find time to talk online, then I'd be happy to make a video of your questions and post them or give you the link. So please keep emailing me with any questions, anything that I can help you with. And also, as a second announcement is that I post the answers to the assignments usually on Mondays or Tuesdays, and I post them under this week's assignment. So I guess for this week's homework 4.1 and 4.2, the answers will be posted on the Monday, so that would be September 28th, and then it will be posted right here underneath this weekly module 5 assignment folder.